Drawing inspiration from the internationally renowned Local Futures movement, headed by Helena Norberg Hodge, we're proud to present the first local food feast here in Ibiza. After a bleak period of closure and disconnection, we join like-minded people spearheading the restoration of the community fabric and ecological economies with a central focus on local food systems. Connecting to our land and our community brings about a sense of profound belonging, happiness, and enrichment that embraces all ages and backgrounds. This is vital for the well-being of every human, community, country, and the planet herself. We give our deepest thanks to all those who with open hearts, open minds, and open arms volunteered their energies, talents, and vision to make this a tangible reality shared and enjoyed by all throughout this event.